do it. What's happening, guys? We're here at the ASUS behind closed doors. I'm here with Sasha. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you, Dave.
Thank you for making a few minutes for us. And we're going to look at their brand new range. There's some high-tech Tony Stark style stuff here. We're going to kick off with this. This is called the mothership.
ROG mothership, right?
Yeah, mothership. Take us through this.
Landed. So pretty much a brand new take on desktop replacement. Today here we're announcing that we've partnered up with Thermal Grizzly and we have liquid metal in there. And it brings down the CPU temperatures a lot more than you'd expect. So a lot more than I expected for sure. And you get like a 10% higher clock as a result. And you have lower temperatures as a result. You have lower fan speed as well. So you get more performance, lower temperatures, and it's quieter.
So it's going to run faster but run cooler,
right,
which is amazing. And
yeah.
And speaking of cooler, look at this thing, guys. I mean, this thing is a thing of beauty.
It's a Core i9 8-core overclock to 4.7 gigahertz out of the box, factory overclock. Crazy amount of memory, storage, SSD, everything over top.
Beautiful. When are they going to be available?
Within a few weeks, so
okay.
It's coming up pretty soon. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so here we have the Zephyrus range of gaming laptops. Why don't you take us through these beauties?
We have the GU502, the Zephyrus M. Then we have the GX502 Zephyrus S. This one in Glacier Blue. So this is the second color we're announcing here. The Zephyrus S and the Zephyrus M. These two are both going to be available in Glacier Blue or in Classic Black.
Very nice.
We're showing it here with a 4K 120Hz panel.
Oof. Hey, 4K 120 on a laptop. I love that.
Yeah. Over here we have the Strix Free series. So Strix Free is our esport focus series,
okay,
our mainstream performance series. And here you have the Scar 15-inch, the Hero 15-inch, and the Strix G 15-inch.
These are all about being compact but high performance at the same time. And of course, as much RGB as humanly possible.
Exactly.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, and we're trying to make really good use of the RGB. So you have the light bar under it, which actually makes the laptop look slimmer and makes it look like it's hovering above the table. Looks really cool, especially in darkroom. And it has multiple zones, so you can see it's running across there. And making use of the RGB as well. On this system, we have Black Ops 4. And we partnered up with Activision Blizzard and we have our own custom little RGB light effects. On F1 to F4 you have your health bar, and F5 to F9 you have your ammo bar. It enhances your gameplay. It
very
makes
cool.
it more immersive. And you can sync up your mouse, your headset, all your other ROG Sync peripherals together with the game. So we're trying to make use of the RGB.
I like that. So it's not just pretty, it's got purpose.
Yeah.
Pretty with purpose. I'm going to coin that phrase.
Yeah.
You guys can pay me for that. What do we have over here? This is very special. This you probably won't see anywhere else.
Right. This is our BMW concept design face-off. We work together with BMW Design Labs. And our design team basically worked together with their design team, and they had a little bromance, I guess.
Yeah.
And they were working on different designs. What would a BMW gaming laptop look like? Or what would a future gaming laptop
Pretty much like
possibly
this.
look like? Yeah. Over here we have our new tough models. This is the FX705 and the FX505.
Okay.
DU. So those are also with AMD Ryzen plus 1660 Ti, great price performance. It's pretty much all the core features you need for a gaming laptop, but none of the nice to haves.
And they're big. I mean, these things are like 17-inch displays.
Yeah. This one is 17-inch, this one is 15-inch, and the cool thing about it is it has the same keyboard layout as the ROG models, and it has a slim bezel as well. So for a price performance model, this is really nice.
It's a good place to be. I like it. Sasha, thank you so much for taking us around the booth and showing us all your exclusive products that will be coming out about the next 12 months. And there's more coming from the show floor tomorrow, so make sure you tune in. Until then, take it easy.